Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany for those of you who are new, so welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a fun tutorial on this eye look that you see right here using the new Huda Beauty Neon Orange eyeshadow palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, be sure and subscribe and we will get started. Alright, so first I did already go ahead and prime my lids with the Tarte Shape Tape and I just spread it all over with my Morphe R33. And then it's been drying for a little bit. So now I'm just going to take my Morphe M433 and I'm going to go into the very middle shade right here. And I'm just going to put this in my crease. Trying to decide what look I wanted to do, but I think I'm going to do a more orange toned look since it is the Neon Orange palette. I'm just going to put this in my crease. And then same thing on the other side. I decided to zoom you guys just in a little bit, kind of using this shade as like my overall base in the transition and crease area. Just giving me a light wash of orange, kind of like a peachy shade. Alright, so next I'm going to take my Morphe M411 and I'm going to dip into this orange shade down here in the corner. And again, I'm going to put this in my crease. This one almost comes off a little bit of like a corally salmon color. And then now I'm going to go back in with that first brush in that very beginning shade and then just a little bit of the yellow. And buff this into my crease transition area right above the color I just did. Just to kind of add some yellow to it. And it will help blend out that salmon-y color. These shades are like super pigmented. I was a little nervous because I swatched them on my arm and they swatch like crap, but on my eyes, they are so pigmented, it's unreal. So next I'm gonna go in with this M411 brush again, and I'm actually gonna dip into this kind of orangey red shade in the corner, and I'm gonna put this in the outer corner of my eye to kind of add like a deeper, darker shade, just a little bit to blend in the shimmer color that I'm about to do. And I want to keep it more orangey red toned, so I don't want to go in with the dark pink. Otherwise I might, but I'm not going to today for this look. Going back in with the M433. No extra product, and I'm just blending that out on the edges. Alright, and then since I did say that we are doing a orange look for the Neon Orange palette, I'm going to wet my JH41 brush, and I'm going to dip in to the shimmer up top in the middle. It's like a really pretty orangey yellow shimmer. The green in this is also really pretty. I haven't tried the pink one yet, but I didn't want to gravitate towards it since, again, it's the Neon Orange palette. And then now that red kind of just like nicely blends in, so I'm going to dip back into that red in the top corner. That first brush, yeah, just make sure it blends together. And then I'm going to take the same brush, I'm going to dip into the yellow in that top corner. I'm going to kind of tap it off a little bit and then just go right above to make sure we didn't lose any of that. So I want a little bit of yellow to poke through. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and add some liner off camera really quick. Alright, and then for mascara, I want to try this new mascara I picked up the other day on my birthday. Whenever I went to Sephora to get that palette. And it is the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. So I heard it's really thick, which I like a thick mascara because I like, even though I wear falsies, I want it to look like super full. So this brush is kind of giant, but it seems to be doing okay. Alright, so here's the mascara. I feel like it actually looks pretty good. It's honestly not too thick, which I like, but it definitely like defines the lashes. But I feel like it doesn't get clumpy, at least as of right now, like the Better Than Sex sometimes does. I feel like it separated them out and almost lengthened a little bit, because usually my lashes don't look this good unless I wear like Marc Jacobs or something like that. So Alright, I'm gonna pick out some falsies. Alright, so for lashes today, I'm wearing the House of Lashes Iconic Lights. So while these finish drying, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup because I look a little crazy right now. And then I will come back and we will do our lower lash line. Alright, so I have the rest of my makeup completed. And I am ready to finish up the lower lash line so we can set our face and be ready for the day. Alright, so I think I'm going to do a orangey kind of theme on the lower lash line as well, just like we did on the rest of our eye. So I'm going to take this GH40 brush. It's my favorite brush to use under my eye. So good and so little. And I'm going to dip into this corner shade right there and just kind of sweep this under my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to dip into the yellow up here in the corner and do this under there as well, but maybe a little bit lower just to kind of match the rest of the eye. And then I'm just going to leave it as simple as that. I am going to go ahead and align my lower lash line as well with the Pat McGrath Extreme Black Liner. I think the new one, it's like getting down to a nub. So I'm going to do this real quick off camera because I think sometimes it looks a little weird because, you know, I don't know, it's just, we're going to skip it. Alright, so now that our liner is done, I'm going to go ahead and add the mascara. I use the same one that I did for the top just because I like to try it out and we'll see if it's good. I'm a little nervous because the wand is like really big, but it's actually okay. Alright, I accidentally touched it to my eye on this side, so once it dries, I can fix it and then set my face. Alright, so I think I finally settled on a lipstick that literally took me probably 30 minutes to figure out what I wanted to wear. I decided to just go bright on the lips as well, and I thought it might match my shirt for the day, so yeah. So I'm wearing a Jeffree Star's Anna Nicole lipstick. Why am I wheezing? My asthma is... Okay. So that is everything for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This honestly makes me want to pick up one of the other ones, but this one I thought was the most interesting to me because I don't have a lot of orange shadows in my collection, but I do have a lot of green and purple. The purple did look really pretty in person though. Honestly, they all did, and so I was a little nervous at first because like I said, these do not swatch well at all, but they perform so good on the eyes, and I'm super glad I picked this up. I really like how she does these little palettes because they're easy to travel with and they're inexpensive, and I like having palettes that are like a theme or like color story personally. So yeah, that is everything for this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure and give this video a thumbs up, and I will have all the products I use linked down below through my RewardStyle links. So if you guys do make a purchase through those, I do make a small commission. Thank you so much if you use, but obviously you don't have to. But yeah, be sure and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!